In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel your free Shopify trial in 2020 and beyond. So follow the steps in the video and then you should be able to do this, and let's get started right away. So you want to go to your store on Shopify, and before you actually cancel your free trial, you want to make sure that you're not paying for any apps. So go to apps and then check out if you're paying for any subscriptions. If yes, you want to cancel that so that you don't get billed each month. Now once you've done that, you can click on settings at the bottom left corner, and then they'll send you over to your settings. Now right here you can see plan and permissions, so you want to click on that, and it's then going to send you over to your plan. Now if you then scroll down, you can find close your store right here, turn off your online store and sales channel. They'll be saved for 30 days if you change your mind. So you want to click on close store right here. You would then have to enter your password, click on confirm, and that's how you can cancel your free Shopify trial. Now if this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like. Let me know in the comments down below if it works. I would appreciate that, and then I hope you have a good day, and then I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.